Hi, my name's Hayden. I'm the Porsche Pro here for Porsche Centre Downtown Toronto. I'm just a quick tutorial on how to do the parking assist that would be with your package for your 2024 Cayenne Coupe, Cayennes, just below here. So I am in drive. Let's just say theoretically I have pulled around the parking lot. I have found my spot up here, which is just right there. I'm going to engage it. There's a spot beside me, but I don't want to park there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the P icon way over in this corner. I'm going to select the right side parking because I'm going to obviously park on the right side. And now it's searching. So I can creep up the car. I have my foot on the brake and I'm just, like you were pulling up into a parking lot as you would normally. So I'm approaching my spot. I'm still waiting for the car to find the spot. And it looks like it has. Perfect. So it's detected my parking space. What do I want to do? Do I want to have the car pull in, face forward, or do I want it to back in? For this demonstration, I'm going to get it to back in. So I'm going to leave it as is. I'm going to still pull forward. This is me in control until the car tells me to stop. And it does want you to pull up quite a bit. Perfect. So go to a full stop, really push on the brake here. I'm gonna start the parking process and it's gonna signal for me. And when I let go of the brake, the car is going to move by itself. Now you can fully commit. So right now I'm fully off the brake pedal. I have my wheel turning, signaling, and it's not gonna make this. So it's actually gonna sense the 911. It's going to correct itself, pull forward, and it's going to back right in. And there we are. Parking's completed. I'm now in park. I'm okay to shut the car off and head on in. Now you've seen the rear function, rear reverse in. I'm going to do the front pull-in option so you can see what the car can do. This is quite impressive to me because the car will actually do a complete 3-point turn to turn the car around and get you pulled in. So same spot over there. I've found it. I want to engage the system. So I'm going to push P. Right side is fine. Now I'm going to start creeping forward again so the car can find my spot. It's found a spot, but it's not the spot I want. It's want to parallel park in that spot, but that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to keep going forward. Don't worry about that because that's not the spot that I want. I'm looking for this little gray square here. Perfect. So it's found this spot right here. Now I'm going to keep going forward. And what I'm going to do, parking space detected. I'm going to do, so that's reverse in, we're going to do the pull in. So it's ready to park. So I'm going to start the parking process. It's going to start moving the wheel and signal. And I'm going to let off the brake. Let it do its magic. So this one you will need quite, a bit of space beside you on the side of the road. Some parking situations are pretty limited, but I have a bit of space here. So the car, as you can see, it's pulled itself over. I got enough space here to pull into the spot. And it may make a couple adjustments, but it's going to do everything by itself. So a little close there. It's edging itself with the brake. You can hear it. And it should make an adjustment because we are pretty crooked. So the car is actually going to back itself out of the spot. And it's going to actually make sure we're perfectly in the lines here. And again, this is no brake pedal. You have to fully commit and let the system do its thing. there we are. Parking has been completed. If I look at my surround view, we are perfectly in between both lines. And now that I'm parked, of course, I can just shut the car off. And I did want to get out to actually show you how accurate this is. So here we can see my spot, pretty straight. Nice gap on both sides. And I'm exactly where I wanted it to be.